Yes, hello children. Today I am here with Civics chapter 4, the state government. As the last chapter children, the Harry and the teachers, they have a discussion with their class teacher regarding the institutional representation of democracy. So in this chapter we are going to study that how the state government work. Children, first of all, our country is governed at 3 levels: local, state and central. So that only we are going to discuss in detail, how the local and state and central level, but in this chapter it is given the state government. So we will discuss about the state level. Children, state level means the government formed in a state. Okay, the governments formed in state are known as the state government. Okay, the powers of state government, children, work only within the boundary of a state. Means whatever means the government which is formed in the state, that is all known as the state government. Means whatever the powers are there of the state government, that work only within that state only, boundary of that particular state only. Suppose that in MP, so whatever the government is in MP, that work within the boundary of the Madhya Pradesh only. Okay, so like that only the state can make laws. So the states can make laws on the subject which are include the police, agriculture, land revenue, fisheries and irrigation, etc. So these are the subject, including that how that it's the state government, they make law. What are the subject on that which are included this in this state list? So these are the list of those subjects. So what are that? Police, agriculture, land revenue and irrigation and etc. many more. The state government, children, that makes law for the governance and also satisfy the general needs of the people. Of course, the government, it means we choose the government. Always means I give this knowledge to you people, information to you people. The government responsibility to look after the people need. Okay, their requirement, their issues, their problem. So here also the state government also that makes the laws for the governance and also this satisfies the general needs of the people. The organs that perform this function is known as the legislature. Means how that work. As in our body, organs are there and that works. There are different organs. Organs have the different work. In our body also, children. Yes, eyes have a different work, ears have a different work, nose have a different work. The same thing is that in the in the government also, as we are talking about here, the state government. So here also some organs are there. Okay, the state government, some organs are there that perform these functions, means different functions. That is known as the legislature. Okay, so we can say the legislature is the organ of the state, organ of the state government that perform the functions. The state legislature, children, consist of either one or two houses. Suppose if there is only one house, it is called the unicameral legislature, and the house is known as the legislative assembly, or we can say Vidhan Sabha. Legislature assembly that we known as the Vidhan Sabha. It is the lower house. Okay, that again I am repeating, children. The state legislature consists of either one or two houses. If there is only one house, so that is called the unicameral legislature, and the house is known as the legislative assembly, or we can say Vidhan Sabha. Understood? So Vidhan Sabha is the lower house of the state legislature. Okay, the Vidhan Sabha is the lower house of the state legislature. There are some states having the second house also, and this house is known as the Legislative Council. Okay, this house is known as the Legislative Council or Vidhan Parishad. Legislative Assembly, Vidhan Sabha. Legislative Council is Vidhan Parishad. Is it clear, children? So Vidhan Parishad is the upper house of the state. Again I am repeating, children. The Legislative Assembly, which we known as the Vidhan Sabha also, that is the lower house of the state. Okay, Vidhan Parishad, which is we known as the Legislative Council, that is the upper house of the state. So state having two houses, okay, in the state legislature are called the bicameral legislature also. Understood, children? So again I am telling you, as in the last chapter we have studied about the institutional representative of democracy. In this chapter we are talking about these different levels of the government. Okay, so there are three levels of government: central, state and local. So in this chapter what we are discuss about the state government. So the state government, as I already explained, that form in the state, the state government that form in the state is known as the state government. Okay, in Maharashtra they have their own government in their Maharashtra, and MP, UP, so these all are the states. So whatever the government is formed in the state, that is known as the state government. The power of the state government work only within the boundary of the state. Again I am explaining this. Okay, first I read the chapter and then I explain. Now in short, whatever the points I have explained you, that again I am going to explain. Okay, so the state, the government which is formed in the state, that is called the state government, or that we known as the state government. How the power of the state government work, children? The power of the state government work only within the boundary of that state, means उसी state में काम करेगा. Is it clear? In that particular state, whatever the laws they will make, that government, whatever the laws they will make, that will work only in that particular state, only in that boundary of that, within the boundary of that state. Okay, not everywhere. The state can make laws on this subject which are beneficial for the people and which are included in the state list. So beneficial of the people, so many things are there, but they have also certain list. Okay, in whatever that list only they can make the laws. Okay, so what is that list? So that is police, agriculture, land revenue, irrigation, etc. Okay, children. So these are the some subject where the children, the state government, they make the laws. Okay. Now the state government that makes laws for what the state government make the law, children? For what the state government? So they make the law for the governs and also the satisfy the general needs of the people. Okay. The organ, I already says that as in our body different organs are there and they work different. So the same way the in state government also some organs are there that perform the function of the state government. Okay, so that functions, that organ which we are talking about, that is called the legislature. That organ that we are talking about in science language, so that organ that we known as the legislature. Okay, so the state legislature that is consist of either one house or two house. Okay, the state legislature consists of either one or two houses. If there is only one house, okay, that is called a unicameral legislature. If one house is there, and that house is known as the legislative assembly. Okay, if suppose there is only one house, so that is known as the unicameral legislature, and that house is known as the legislative assembly, that, or we can say Vidhan Sabha. So Vidhan Sabha is the lower house of the state government. Understood? The Vidhan Sabha is the lower house of the state government. Understood? Yes. And there are some states having the second. There are some states. See, as only again understand, children. If there is only one house, that is known as the unicameral legislature, and that unicameral legislature we known as the legislative assembly, or we can say Vidhan Sabha. Okay, so Vidhan Sabha or legislative assembly is the lower house of the state. Understood? Some states having second house also. So that this second house which we are talking about, this house is known as the legislative council. Okay, or Vidhan Parishad. So legislative council or Vidhan Parishad is known as the upper house of the state. Understood? So what is the lower house of the state? Vidhan Sabha, that we known as the legislative assembly. And so children, why I am telling again and again this portion? Because when you will understand this portion, then only you can understand the whole chapter. So Vidhan, what is Vidhan Parishad, what is Vidhan Sabha, what is the state government, that all you have to understand. Then only you can understand the whole chapter. Okay, so two houses are there, either one house or two houses in the state government. Okay, so legislature state. So one house, if there is a one house, so that we known as the, in any state, if one house is there, so that is known as the legislative assembly or Vidhan Sabha, that is we known as the lower house. Second house is the Vidhan Parishad, which we known as the legislative council also. Okay, so that is it is the upper house of the state. Understood? The states having two houses in the state legislature, that is that are called the bicameral legislature also. So children, the part 1 we have done, the, we can say, little introduction of the chapter. So you people read the chapter again and again. In every video I am telling you people, so read the chapter, then you will understand the whole chapter. So next part you will get the other topics you will get in the next part.